Hello YouTubers and welcome. I'm doing a creative subwoofer versus the LG subwoofer. No, this is 50 watts. This is 43 watts, I think. I know it's around 40 watts. It's not lower than 40 watts. But that's the original speaker in there. That's 8 ohms and that's 3 ohm. But I'm doing a comparison. The boxes are similar size, as you could see. So yeah. And the reason why there's no wires coming out of here is I wired it so the speaker wire goes out the base port, which is that way. And on this one it's not powered, you use an amp to power that. So yeah, let's begin. Now the song I'm using is this song. It has a really good flex on it. And it also gets very loud. Here's where the volume is at and where the bass is at on my little amp. So yeah. So you can vote which one's got the best excursion.
Then I be rolling with them choppers. Run up on me wrong and I'ma drop.
Now I can't play this for too long because of the snakes.
Rolling through them streets with that heat. Tuck them guns like we from the Middle East. I be rolling with them choppers. Run up on me wrong and I'ma drop. Yeah, I be rolling through them streets with that heat. Tuck them guns like we from the Middle East. I be rolling with them choppers. Run up on me wrong and I'ma drop. Yeah, I be rolling through them streets with that heat. Tuck them guns like we from the Middle East. I be rolling with them. Yeah, I be riding with that chopper. Just dope money, got my ass, living just like a doctor. Bitch, I stand on my daddy pulling up in the caddy, make your baby daddy look like cockers. Puffing on the fatty fool, something out of Cali with a nine sticker than Miss Parker. Bitch, bounce that ass, I'ma make her bounce that ass. I'ma hit the licks, get the dough, and make a whole count the cash. Bitch, count it fast, no counterfeits.
Rattling you in the background is the snakes.
Better rag, you don't even know you can even get my lace. Shine to my haters every time I spin around my see y'all face. I'ma see